Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you about Instagram new feature in which you can now edit messages after sending as you are doing in your WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First, you have to open Play Store or App Store and check if there is any Instagram update. As there is update pending, so I will update it first and then moves forward. The update has completed, and now you have to open Instagram. Then go to Messages area and send message to any chat. Now the message has sent. If you want to edit that message, you have to long tap on a message and then tap on Edit option, edit your message and send it again. The person will not know that what have you write before, now the edited message is sent to the second person. By this way, you can edit message after sending in Instagram. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.